You know that just 3 days after those first two people said they couldn't take another step, Hillary and Norgay reached the summit. Winners simply do what others won't. Winners simply come to places like this to change their lives, and others just make fun of it. Others say, oh, I don't know if I can do that. You showed up. You're here. The steps that they took 72 years ago made a tremendous impact on mountaineering and the Nepali community in general. I always say this. I only need to see something happen once to know it's possible. And what I see in this room, especially with the leaders that sit up front, what you've done, continuing to set records every single year at WFG, witnessed by those people that came across the stage last night, shows me that what's possible at WFG is still unknown. We continue to climb, we continue to reach new records, and we continue to grow and serve the middle market across the United States and Canada. So you may say, what does this have to do with WFG? What does climbing Everest have to do with WFG? I would say everything. We may not be climbing Mount Everest, but what you do every single day, ensuring that no family is left behind, is far more important. What is your impact? What legacy are you leaving behind? Let's just take a look at last year. For one small example, because of the big steps that you took, over 240,000 families across North America are now have protection for their families in the event of something happens. That's a tribute to the work that you all do, helping achieve financial security. Do you know that our active death benefit coverage in the United States, now listen to this, our active death benefit coverage in the United States is over $1 trillion of enforced policy. In Canada, it's over $167 billion. Does anybody realize the impact of a community when $1 trillion passes down to the next generation? Does it change lives, yes or no? Are we in this business of making sure that families achieve things that we could never achieve, but we want our kids to have a better, brighter future than we did? That's what we do, ladies and gentlemen. Protecting these families will change their lives forever. And you that's brand new here, sitting in the rafters today, are leaving an impact, and you'll be remembered for generations to come for the little piece of advice and protection that you shared with the family to make sure they're protected. Now, the Mount Everest story also shows us that people who take big steps and make big impacts lean on a community of like-minded individuals.